There we go. We are live. Good evening, everybody. Looks like Ralph's a little off center here this morning. This evening. Hey, Miss K, Kyle, Red, Yo, Jim, Chris. Good. Oh, Born Hunting also. Good morning or good evening, guys. Not good morning. What the heck? How you guys all doing this evening, this Sunday evening? So we've been playing around in this bit of a channel here for a while now. We popped up at right before the 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. Then we broke down pretty heavily right on that candle. Played around in there, went lower, kind of recovered. So getting a bit of a retest here. Did we tap into this fair value gap? Not really. So it's gonna be a tough one here. I just don't it's kind of ranging, not the best trend, so might as well hand you the account. Oh yeah. Hey Angia, hey Tim, how you doing? Zero Skills in the house. Jane Bond, hey, hello. Good evening, everybody. Ralphie's in here. Ralphie's in the chat. Angia and OC Dog Trainer are the eat. Nice. Yes. So you guys, any of you guys take any trades today, or how's it all looking for you guys? Let me see. I'm up 41 bucks in a Lucid Flex account. No trade in the other one, right? Nope. And then I'm up 57 in my Take Profit Trader Pro. Sorry, 157 in my Pro was and 157 in my Take Profit Eval. So no trades yet on Top 1 Futures at all. And no trades on Blue Sky. Bouncing up here a little bit. Hey, Trading Game, how you doing? And Brannet's in the house. You're up 30 points in 3 trades. Nice. 10 points per trade, I guess. Very good. Hard to see what we're going to be doing here, guys. Is this actually lining up pretty good up here? Maybe, eh? Kind of feel like it needs to be here, though, still. Sort of breaking out of this channel at the moment. Yes, sir. 3 trades, 10 points each one. Beautiful. You quit after being up 250. Tim, nice job. Way to go. So what am I going to do here? We got Take Profit Trader logged in. Should probably switch over to Top 1 Futures on this account here. So log out here and get into our TOF account. Eight 9863. Yeet. What's up, Jose? All micros. Okay, nice. Well, it's going to go up, then down, and then that's what it's doing. Yeah. Yeah, right. Yes, that seems like what it's doing at the moment. The Blue Sky, no, I'm still working on the Blue Sky. I'm up 1,126 in that account right now. Any trade biases yet? Well, I mean, I'm leaning bullish. I'm leaning bullish still. So we'll have to see. We will have to see. You just smoked your 50K eval trying to trade this, but I have a funded 25K and I'm not touching that till tomorrow. Screw this action. Yeah, this price action isn't very nice. Blackout news. I know once I read email, I'm like, I think he means eval. It looks like we're getting scammed here, or somebody's trying to hit him with a ban hammer. Hit him with the ban hammer, guys. Hit him with the ban hammer. Bye-bye. See ya. Okay, I do want to download those songs, guys. I haven't. Hey, Peter Hartman in the house. Thank you for the like. Yeah, I know. I heard that. I heard the Discord going ding, ding, ding. So I went over there and just hit him with the ban hammer. Rafael Cini in the house. Clee Torres, good evening. We are all having a great night. Yes. So far, so good. Anyways, I think. So we are popping up here a little bit. We left this sort of bullish fair value gap here. Well, we need this candle to close here. So if this thing ends up pulling back directly, still in the chop, we have this bearish fair value gap above. So maybe what we should be looking for is an inversion of this guy on the 5-minute chart. Once we get that, we can look for a retrace into it and then an entry for some continuation. We're getting above the VWAP. We're starting to try to break out a little bit here. We have previous day high up there, which we tapped already once, but I think, where's that naked point of control? We have a 1-hour bullet bearish fair value gap above. Looks like another one also there. A couple of them anyways. Born Hunting in the house. Hey, great night, but better now? Yes, it is. Why is that, Kyle? Why is that, Kyle? Huh? How come? Explain. Eric, hey, we're back into prior week's value area also. Okay, well, that's not ideal. It is very far below, but we have a gap to fill sometime tonight to 300s. Yeah, we had a nice gap up, but I don't know. We'll have to see. Yeah, there's a good chance we're going to probably try to. Okay, thanks, Kyle. I thought you were talking about because somebody else joined the stream. Hey, Raj in the house. How you doing? Would you fade the market here? No, I'm not looking to fade the market here. I'm not looking to fade. We're above the VWAP. We're above previous day's point of control. We're pretty bullish. So, I mean, I think Clee is right. Maybe at some point we're going to try to go fill this gap. Maybe London, maybe something later, possibly. Not a guarantee, but until we get below the VWAP and be, below the point of control, which is going to be the start of this, where we gapped up to, then I would be thinking, yeah, let's take some trades, try to close the gap here, right? Yeah, only because Dave is live? No, I think it might have to do with somebody else in the chat. That's what I was thinking. Oh, you think it'll be around 2 EST? Yeah, it could be, right? Yeah, I could see that. Okay, let's get some. I gotta work on this music for a sec here. I'm just gonna try to get those songs uploaded here real quick. So I don't know if you guys know, but in the Discord, let me just get to the right channel here. Scott Hirsch put up a couple songs in the Discord, which are pretty dope. So we'll download those guys. We'll get them playing. Switch up the tunes a little bit here. He also has a channel. You guys might be interested to go check it out. I guess he's making day trading playlists. Let me just get this open here real quick. I'll just post it. I'll just post the link there in the Discord or in the chat, guys, if you want to check it out. Here it is. Check out his YouTube channel. Give him a subscribe. Making some pretty decent music, I'd say. Chickens plus goats plus bears plus butcher equals a good time. Oh yeah, thank you. Please up for interpretation. Hey, Ryan Entourage in the house. Statistics say gap won't close for 2 to 5 days. Yeah, I'm not completely convinced we're going to close the gap. Like I said, I would want to see us get below the VWAP and then get below the POC. If that happens, then I would say we're probably going to close the gap, right? Your uneducated opinion is short around 687 and stop above 733. I mean, that's a decent area to be trading. Yeah, I concur. You went short when it went way higher, hoping to close the gap. Hit it hard, and it came all the way back, break even. Oh, damn. Hit a clean $500 on 5 accounts and $300 on 7 other accounts. Clean Asia session. Yeah, nice job, FN. You're not just a dumb girl, Clee. That's not true. You're a woman. No. Minus the dumb part, right? That's up for interpretation. Haha. You guys. Okay, let me just add those songs now. I think they're done downloading here. So more music, add music. Show me the money. All right, check these songs out. They're pretty good. I like them. You feel like the market's in balance? Is balanced. I mean, it's definitely like in a range bound for sure. Like it looks like the highs are equal to the lows on the current trading session. Kind of like if we were to just go with the volume profile, it's like right in the middle. Like the POC, the developing point of control, the highest volume is like right in the middle of these highs and lows here. Like pretty freaking close. Like look at that. The middle of this is at, you know, 627 and the volume point of control is at 620. So are we going to reject? I don't know. Okay. So currently, what I'm looking for is us to invert this bearish fair value gap from this I guess it would be 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. So if we can invert this fair value gap, I'll be looking for, you know, taking a long trade. So what time will force arrive? Any bets? Can you explain inverted fair value gap? Yeah, okay, sure. Okay, so as you can see right here, we got this candle right here, right? So we made this high, right? And then this next candle was super bearish, right? This one wicked back up there. So I'm assuming you know how fair value gaps are formed. So basically, the gap between the first and the third candle is the fair value gap, right? So what I'm looking for is on the same time frame. Since this is a bearish fair value gap, I'm looking for price to close above this fair value gap. Once it closes above the fair value gap, this would be considered an inverted fair value gap. So what I would do is personally, I just change the color to yellow. So I'd change it like this. And then basically I'm looking for a pullback into this fair value gap for the entry of the continuation higher. So it might play around up here for a bit before it does a pullback. And but quite often you'll be getting into it for a long, right? As long as we get the inversion. Now, if I were to take this trade as a short trade, because it is a bearish fair value gap, you could, in theory, you could have shorted it right here, right? With a tap in there. It looks like it's working out really good at the moment. So that would have been, you know, could have made, let's see here, you'd be up almost 40 points on this one candle, right? So one way you could trade it is just trade it like a bearish fair value gap, right? You could have shorted it right there. But then, like I said, if it closes above, that's going to invert it. So that would tell me if I entered into a short on this current fair value gap and then it got inverted, that would tell me that I should exit the trade. And if price goes back into that fair value gap, which it quite often does, that's going to be the best time to exit that trade. So it might give you a chance to either make a tiny bit of profit or a break-even trade. So it depends on how you manage it, but quite often when it gets inverted, it's going to retest in there. So it can protect you if you're trying to get continuation, or if you're also gives you an entry if you're trying to look for sort of a reversal situation where, like, this was, you know, we're kind of bearish, now we're going a little bullish. If we get a closure above, we'll get a retest and then take it higher. You went short 633, but put a stop at 628 to see if we can get a flush. Nice trade, nice entry. So you got your stop locked in the money a bit. That's awesome. Sat in the house, Sai in the house. I'm doing good, thank you. How are you doing, Sai? Yeah, let's see what will happen. Do you think you would quit your job in the future if you're consistently? Yes. That's kind of the plan. I mean, I don't know that I would quit real estate. I would just because it's pretty flexible, right? And then the current brokerage that I'm with, it's not like a high costing brokerage. So it's like I just share commission off my sales, right? So it doesn't really cost me much to keep my license. So I would probably keep my license, but like be just mostly focused on trading, right? Trading content, YouTube, that kind of stuff. But yeah, I mean, I'd love to eventually, and then also, you know, traveling and trading. So yeah, I'm the hottest realtor in British Columbia. No, I don't think so. I wish. Agent Rogue, hey, how you doing? What's up, Red? What's up? Entire weekend was work in the office. Just got free for 2 days. Okay, nice. It's always nice to get a little downtime, hey? It's always nice to get that downtime. Soul Searching Gurus, this weather we are experiencing here in Nanaimo is more civil for the Gentile. Much cooler weekend. Yes, it is definitely cooler. It's raining over here also. The weather's moving this way, hey, Soul Search? The weather came in over Vancouver Island and then came into Vancouver, and now it's working its way into the lower mainland. You were looking into real estate before you found trading? Nice. Leonard, where do you live, Leonard? Because if you need to be hooked up with a really good brokerage, I got some good contacts in the US. Well, my brokerage is all over, so. When we duck race, can you put an A and an O on separate ducks so we get paid? And if I get a payout off of an account with, or I'll buy OC Orange an account. Sure, whatever. Keith Smith, hey, good morning. I wouldn't mind trying real estate part-time. Yeah, I mean, I think it would be good for you also, Cleet. Because, like, if you're just at your center, fitness center, hanging out during the day, you could definitely be doing some real estate things in between, right? Yeah, maybe we can. Yeah, that's no problem, Red. Red, you could put an R on, get me one too, just saying. Nice. Yeah, so let me know, guys, because I'd love to hook you up with EXP. EXP is a really good brokerage, and it's a good way to get in on a low cost sort of brokerage where you can make money outside of just property trading, buying, selling properties. So. And then anyone that you can get into the brokerage, like say you have a friend that's looking to get their license too, you can get them sort of under you. And then it's kind of a bit of a trickle up commission structure. So the commission structure doesn't change. You always have to pay the brokerage a certain amount, but then anyone that you get in gets a little bit of commission from your sales. So it's just it's a little bonus, an incentive to help bring in more people into the company, right? And then when you hit certain profit targets, after you hit a certain level of sales per year, they'll pay you back part of the commission that you paid to them in shares of their company. So if you hit a certain quota, if you hit a certain amount of sales, and then you've been paying them, their commission split, I think it's 80-20. Eventually they're going to give you back shares at a portion of how much commission that you've paid into the company. So it works out really good in the end, especially if you're newer, because you can get into some brokerages where you have to pay a monthly fee to have a desk spot, not physically a desk, but have a spot in the brokerage. So you have a sort of a rate that you got to pay every month. That was what I was doing before. And if you have, some bad, not the best year, for example, it's really hard in real estate right now in Canada. So if you have some bad sales years, you're kind of your very first house sale and maybe a little bit into your second is just paying for all the desk fees and everything. So it's definitely the best way to start is on a commission split until if you can build up your clientele really large, then maybe you can look at different commission structures. So I think the modern term is multi-level marketing. Hey, Sean Reeves, happy Sunday. Have you done any fix and flip type investments? No, I haven't. Maybe in the future I will, but it really doesn't make sense to be doing that in Canada and British Columbia anyways. It's pretty hard to construction costs are so high, housing costs are so high. There's not going to be very much money to be made. So if you're in certain places in the States, I think it would be a lot easier. I've seen a lot of shows and people talking about how they can buy houses in the US and fix them up and flip them. So if I were to ever do something like that, it would probably be in the States, even though I'm a Canadian. Slow Steeler is here. Frenchie, nice. Cosby in red. Cosby? Yeah. Oh, Cosby's in red. Gotcha. Yakaway Tube. Okay, let's stick to this next song going here. This hasn't Cosby been red for months. Sounds like we'd be better off pooling our money and letting Dave trade for us. What? don't. Yeah, I don't know about that. Ask me again at the end of the year, and I'll tell you if that's a smart idea or not. Not for months, but recently it's over for Korea. Oh, really? Things are so bad in Korea that women are now delaying getting plastic surgery. Oh my God. Go. I like that idea. Hectron in the house. Hey, how you doing? Come to St. Louis. Perfect investor market. Nice. Oh, copy. Yeah, just copy trade, right? Getting a little pop here back up. Let's see though. We got another 5-minute bearish fair value gap here. So this will be a good sign as if we can invert that one. But we still have this larger one up here, which is also on this 5-minute time frame. So the candle took you out. All right, Clee. Hopefully, yeah, I think you said you had it locked in a few dollars into profit, so that's good. I don't really trust this market, guys. I'm going to be staying flat for now. I want to see us do something, get out of this area. We're kind of in a bit of accumulation stage here. So let's see if we can't get a manipulation before we make a decision on what we're going to do next, right? Crap, you moved your TP on accident, and when trying to move my chart, moved it below the market price and it closed. Oh, shoot. That sucks. VWAP's too flat, stuck in a range. Yeah, I mean, look at it. It's like, although we've had these couple little pops up and down, like the price has just been sideways the whole time. So definitely accumulation stage here. So we're probably going to get some sort of manipulation first before we make, the next real move. Hectron, you're up 940. Oh, you want a next gen account? Nice. Yo, Jim, you're flat as Dolly Parton, which is the opposite of flat, you mean? You should see how clean this looks on the VWAP layout I made. Really, yeah? Is it like look pretty easy to take trades off of it, Chris? Choppy, low volume. Yeah, pretty low volume also, agree. All right, seems like we're probably going to get some people coming in from trading with Matt, day trading with Matt's group. Wilson in the house. Hey, Wilson, how you doing? So far, I'm doing okay. I'm up in a little bit in my funded accounts here. What did I have again? I had my Take Profit Pro account. I'm up $57, which is okay. In my Lucid funded Flex account, I think I was up $41. And Take Profit Trader Evaluation 157. And I think that's the extent of my trades. Hey, Ralph. Ralph's going to turn away here for a second. I'm just going to try to set him up a little bit better so he's paying attention to you guys here. Let's scratch your head. That's my little guy. That's my little Ralphie. Look at him. He's gonna wait. He's gonna lay there right perfect for you guys. Look at it. He's like, Dad, I'm bored. When's dinner? Can we go for a walk? Of course it'll come back down now. Yeah, of course, right? Yep, 940 next gen. You can pass in one day if you want. Oh, wow. Nice. Posted a screenshot in charts room. I run open, high, low, close levels with it. Okay, let me see. Oh, nice. So you got kind of like standard deviations on that, hey? Does definitely look pretty clean inside your levels there. -1 deviation to +1 deviation. And it looks like you got some other VWAPs on there. Yeah, it looks good. Back below the VWAP here. Yeah, see, like, I don't know, guys. This is pretty hard to trade at the moment. Like, you're kind of just flipping a coin. Kind of just flipping a coin at the moment. But like I said, if we can get a nice closure, first line in the sand here, closure above 645, and then a closure above 86 would be really good. What do we have do we have a bigger target? So we do have 106 contracts up at 28,700. Ooh, we got 28,500 has 112 contracts, which is at the point of control. Let's see if we can see anything below that. 28,300. Is that where the gap is closed? Yeah, look at that. We do have some orders down at 28, only 68 contracts down there, and we got 129 up at 29,000. So we're kind of like, again, this is just nobody really knows where we're going at this moment. So that dog's too lovable. Yes, he is. He's moving a lot though. Just stay on the camera there, bud. The dark blue is a VWAP high and low of the day. Purple VWAP. Purple is a VWAP, and light blue lines are previous session bands levels. Okay, nice. And you're finding some good trades off of that, I'm assuming. So let's hope we can, it would be amazing if we could get to 1,900 subscribers today, guys. What do you think? You think we're going to be lucky enough to get there? I hope. We need about 48 subscribers to hit 1,900. That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. So if you guys could help me out, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the bell notification to all. I've been getting told by a few people that for some reason it used to be set on all and now it's set to personalized. So take a moment there, hit that bell button, hit it to all, and do me a favor and hit the like button to support the channel so we can't get some more people in here, some newbies. MTF candle indicator helps me a lot, so you don't have to keep changing the time charts. What's MTF candles. What does MTF candles stand for? I'm like, what is that? MTF. I should be 1.9 mil. Oh yeah, right. Come on, Leonard. But I appreciate it. Multi-time frame. Okay, that makes sense. So is it like a community indicator, that multi-time frame one? It's on the TradingView communities tab, eh? Yeah. So I think this is the banger. This is the one that I like the most out of the songs that were put in the chat there, or the AI songs by Mr. Scott Hirsch. Wait for confirmation. You boys and your indicators. I know I'm pretty just happy with, you know, my VWAP, my fair value gaps, and my value areas. Look at that. We're over 100 viewers at the moment. 93. Well, what we're over. We're at 99 now, but that's all good. 107. There we go. Welcome everybody. If you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification. Look up the MTF, you'll like it. MTF candles by Trader 2. Second one, Fatty and MTT. No, I just use a book map over here on the left, Leonard. So it's not exactly the same as footprints. Doesn't seem like it's doing anything. Did it change anything? Not really. Boy in the house. Good evening. Welcome back, Mr. Well, I'm assuming you're Mr. Noy. No footprint, but toe sucking. Yes. 600s are holding with lower wicks, showing buyers are there. To the right of your chart, zoom out. Okay, let's see. Oh, gotcha. Interesting. So these are updating live, obviously. These are the different time frames: 15, 30, 4-hour, and daily. Yes, 500, bro. Come on. Ooh, nice, nice. Leonard, but call me Leo. Okay, Leo. You've been using open, high, low, close for a while. Didn't really look at VWAP this deep until I found this group, but it's a game changer. Nice. Sovereignty, hey, how you doing? Good evening, good evening. Hectron, why are you yelling again? Hey, Mustang Trader in the house. Good evening there, buddy. Speaking of Mustang Trader, guys, you guys saw in the Discord, he's live in the morning, so make sure you head over there. Pre-market. So if you guys want to learn about copy trading, risk management, and how to like scale up your trading, definitely go hang out with Nick. Pre-market, he's there usually 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's his link there. So pop in there, pre-market, say what's up, give him a like, give him a follow, and watch a master in action of copy trading and catching bangers that run and make a ton of money. We still long? You still long? Did we get an inversion there? Didn't quite get the inversion there though, did we? Yeah, it looks like it did invert it actually, because let's see here. We did get an inversion there. Oh yeah, you're blushing now? Question mark? Jeez, could have missed that sentry here. You trade 2 personal accounts at the same time, 1 for swing and 1 for scalping. Oh, nice. My favorite AI. That sounds like a good idea. Kind of like 2 different styles where one's kind of like more of a calm, slow action one, where the other one is more like scratch that itch of being in and out. The PA sucks. This PA sucks. And Hirsch has got to put in work to get the AI songs higher tier. Oh, you mean Scott? Scott Hirsch? I mean, I like the songs. They're pretty good. How do you trade inversions? I just wait for an inversion, and then I'll try to buy the pullback into the inversion. So like, for example, we got this one inverted. So now basically my entry would be somewhere around 28,635 for a long. But I'm not loving price action here. I kind of want to wait for this one to get inverted if I'm gonna look for a bull move. But this is a good sign that we might pop up a bit here, but maybe I'm not going to take this trade at the moment. Kind of maybe missed it there too. And they pulled back into the 37s here. Now, if it just decides to pop up, we're definitely too late. So we could watch it here. If we get a pullback sort of into the 34 or a little bit lower, 32s, we could think about getting into an entry if it looks like it's starting to recover. Double fair value gap to break through the short. Not too late. 28,635 is previous week's value area low, so it's a good place to bid and recover value. Better maybe to wait until we break today's value area high. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking. That's why I'm at least waiting for this guy to get inverted. If we get this one inverted, it's on on like Donkey Kong for the bulls, right? Looks like buyers are getting out. Big Teflon, 150K accounts is more than enough for swing trading. Yeah, that's true. You can trade those guys with swing trade. Just keep your size down. I mean, you could probably make a ton of money holding it for a couple days, but it's just hard for a lot of the, I don't know, you have to find an account where they let you hold it overnight. Eric, so if I were to do like an opening range trade, then yes, I would, you know, I don't necessarily use ATR, but I would use the size of the opening range to adjust my position size, but not really ATR for setting stops. No, I have a different criteria. Typically, if I'm, you know, like I said in the past, if I'm entering on a fair value gap, if I enter in that fair value gap and it gets inverted in the opposite direction, I'll be looking to exit. So that's kind of the criteria often that I'm setting. Or I'm looking back to previous structure, right? So one or two structures before is where I would be making those types of decisions, right? Before the price action. So like, so I wouldn't really put my stop necessarily here, but maybe more over here, right? So if we start breaking down, because quite often we might just go down and wick certain areas and then continue higher. Ralph's drinking water now, guys. So I probably won't trade this trade, guys, and I'm not really suggesting that you guys do it either. We're still in that range where this isn't like an A+ setup for me, but what I would be doing is looks like we might have missed that opportunity there. You could do something like that. Sort of almost a 1-to-1 risk to reward here. Just target, or it's a little bit less. It's a 1.5 negative to a 1 risk to positive risk to reward on that trade. But like I said, if this thing were like, let's just say we got into a long here on the pullback and then price ends up closing down here at 623, I would be looking to exit the trade basically. So hopefully it doesn't just like, if it were to break down, it wouldn't just go straight down. I mean, then you got to just take the loss. But yeah, you can generate income. And, you know, a lot of traders like Zach Arbucci or, you know, the guys on ASFX, there's a lot of traders out there that are trading negative risk to reward and they're still making tons of money. So just being in the right direction and, you know, not having a super tight stop can work well for some people, but not for, you know, not for everybody. It depends on your strategy style, right? So, hey, Adam Daz in the house. Hey, how are you? I'm good, thanks. What's up with you? Cospy's absolutely ripping. Really? I'm gonna try to set up Ralph here again one more time. Doing a little forced dog labor here. The tight stop is the hard part for me. I set them way too tight. Yeah, and especially like if you're really into setting tighter stops, then I would say, you know, ES is probably the better instrument to trade also. Because if you're trading, you know, NQ, you pretty much have to have like a 30 plus point stop, right? If you have anything less than 30 points, I just feel like the odds of getting your stop hit are really high, right? Ralphie me Smokey my cat had to make him a meme. Yeah. Yeah, Nick likes his tight stops. Risk management every day. 2 MNQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe. Almost one's too short to trend. That fences, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you need excitement, but patience usually pays the rent. Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump Oh, your profile pic? Oh, nice, nice. That's cute. Thanks for liking the Extreme, Puran. I am not a cat. Yo, Jim. Are you sure? Are you sure? I'm going to take this one off here, guys. I don't want anyone to get into this trade because, like I said, we're in this choppy zone. This thing could definitely just head lower on us here. So just be careful. Just be careful. We didn't quite invert the inverted fair value gap there, but it is a little bit of a risky trade at the moment. See that button? Hit it. Thanks, Adam Daz. How do you come up with the 30 points is good for stop loss learning question? I just over time, I found that, you know, the market can like easily sneeze and go, you know, 15 to 20 points, right? So sometimes when I'm, depending on how the price action is on the day, you know, 30 points might not even be enough. So again, it comes down to sizing and your, you know, your personal risk tolerance, right? So yeah, keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Still very bullish. We're in negative flow rhythm for the next 7 to 10 minutes. If you look at the multi-time frame candles, oh yeah, forgot I had those on there. It looks it'll go down. Pattern lets you know. Coincidentally, the ATR for MNQ M5 is 30 points. Oh, there you go. There you go. What a coincidence. Yeah, I see what you're saying here. We kind of looking a little heavy at the moment, eh? Because I'm stopped at 25 most of the time. Thank you. Yeah, the only thing I can say, guys, is just try to keep your size down, right? Whether you're doing, depending on the time frames that you're, you know, are the distance of your stop or whatever. So is this one the 4 hour? Okay, yeah, that's a 4 hour. Gap up, decent push, about a 50% of that though, candle, hey? Yeah, look at that, 50% pullback on the 4 hour push. Such a boring price movement. I know, right, Clee?
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another
1 minute left on this candle here.
Another night.
Not bad, FN. I took a couple small trades earlier. Up a small amount on a couple accounts. Nothing too huge. I don't really use a risk to reward ratio there, Leonard or Leo.
FVG
What time do we got here? We got the half-hour candle right now. Need 6 minutes until the scalp account is reactivated. What, do you put yourself in a timeout or something? My favorite AI. Late to the stream. Looks like where default stream issue is corrected. Oh, you got told the you got sent directly to the mainstream. That's nice. This is a bonus. Yeah, it's a pretty nasty dip here. This fair value gap is gonzo. That's why I'm saying don't take this trade. This one isn't ideal, right? Personal lockout to use top step brokerage for your scalp account. Nice.
Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. If you ain't ready, MNQ dirty, he is clean. The setup always looks obvious after the screen.
Bounce off 585, reject from 650 in your opinion? TradeStation linked to TradingView for your swing account. Okay, nice. Had to buy a VWAP. I forgot about F'd me pretty bad. Oh, you forgot about it. Oh shoot. Are you're still in that trade, or hopefully you got out of it? That was a perfect bounce off Friday's band close. Let me take a look back at your chart here real quick. You shared. Okay. Interesting. Gold showing the direction. GMAC trades in the house. Welcome, welcome. Oh, you got out right away, guys. Nice. But obviously took a little L on that one, hey? Is Ralphie a bull or a bear? He's fallen asleep with today's market, so I can't really ask him, to be honest. Lucid Daily new plan just dropped. Really? I didn't know about that. I'm gonna have to look at my emails here. They have a daily payout plan now? I don't see it here. I'll have to check my emails. Oh, is Friday's band close? You could get him on those wheels. Some people put their disability. Yeah, unfortunately though, I have a set. I have like some wheelchair for him, but it just kind of like aggravates his hind leg. Like his legs get all weird and twitchy after I do that. So yeah. Yeah, he's you know, when he does kind of like always push himself up when he's like sleeping and breathing. So it's because when he's like, his back legs don't really give him any support, right? So he's often putting a lot of weight on his chest and his front. So then he's kind of like always has to like push up when he breathes. I don't know. Sometimes I'll see him laying on his side, but he doesn't really like to be that way. And I think it's because his back legs aren't great, right? Sounds like you just have to run around and let him wheelbarrow style when the kids and did the school races. Yeah, I got this little like harness thingy that like normally you put it underneath their waist, and I like cut leg holes in it. So I just put his legs in that and then I carry him around, but he doesn't last that long, right? So I just try to do it at a shorter period of time for him. So, oh yeah, he likes chest, not so much belly, but like his chest, like right around his chest there, he loves that. His hindquarters are a little bit sensitive from the whole nerve situation, so yeah. But he definitely loves chest rubs, and he loves his head being pet also, like right on the top of his head. Those are the areas that are like not so sensitive for him. So you put a couple screenshots in the chart, see it a little bit better. Okay, nice. Gotcha. Did you is that green and red arrow, is that you taking a trade on the chart, Chris? Yeah, it is a short nose. It doesn't help for breathing. You're with Ralph. Nothing like a nice head rub. Yeah. Don't sleep now, bulls. Yeah, now's a good time for the bulls to sort of step it up. Got to bid this guy up. Bid it up a bit here. It has been rangy. I really want to see us get above 685. That'd be amazing. That'd be so amazing. But at the moment, not looking that great for the bulls. Tesla needs to come out with the robot legs for dogs after shutting down 2 of their car manufacturing in the area factories for more robotics production. Really? I guess robots are kind of the future. Need routine, hey? Welcome. Hey, 1860 subscribers, guys. 8 so far. Do you guys think we can get another 40 subscribers tonight? That would be sick. 40 more. We can hit that 1900. That'd be that would make the day good no matter what. Win, lose, or draw on the trading situation here. So we are going to be doing that duck race, guys. Looks like we have 140 people watching right now. Once we get up to about 100 likes on the stream, we'll start getting to that giveaway here, that Sunday 25K Lucid Flex eval. Let's do it. Let's do it. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt, one micro today can become a house built. Currently at 68. We're not that far away from being able to get to that 100. So hey, thanks everybody for whoever has hit the like button. I appreciate the support. And thanks to anyone who is new, and obviously to all the usual suspects that are here every day. I love it when I get into the charts and you guys are already putting what's up and saying hi in the chat ahead of time. Really appreciate that. That's so awesome. So yeah, those arrows are your trades. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, man. I love it. I have to vent. I was 300 away from being funded on Lucid Flex, and I reset a different breach. Reset a different breached Flex account and wiped away all of my trading for the day in the first account. So like did you take the loss in the one that was already doing good? Is that what you mean, CPiz? I'm kind of confused what you mean. So did you won in one account and you lost in the other one? Is that what you're saying? So now we got this little bearish fair value gap here again. Another one as we push down there. Are the sellers gonna hold this level is the question now. Be nice if we can get an inversion there and then start looking. Hopefully we're going to get up here to invert this guy. Hey, Plum Trader in the house. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? Globex all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer structure. FVG don't guess the setup. That sucks, Piz. I'm paranoid of doing that too. Always triple check. Oh, you mean so you reset the one that you were trading in? Like you actually. Oh, I'm sorry about that. That sucks. Damn. So you literally reset the one that you had the profit, like the one that was really close to passing. So I have to vent. I was 300 away from being funded on the Lucid Flex, and I reset a different breached Flex account and wiped away all of my trading for the day in the first account. Trade like adults. Protect the evil. I'm a little confused by that still, but maybe I'm just reading it wrong. Hey, you're also a licensed plumber / future trader. I mean, good for you, man. Making that money in two ways, right? No, I didn't do that, but Lucid took away my trades for the active account. What? Why would they do that? It might be a Boner Campbell. That doesn't make sense to me, though. I'm not sure why they would do that. Well, open a ticket with them, because that sounds like a mistake to me. Like, open a ticket with their support and ask them about that. Yeah, I would be upset too. That doesn't sound. That sounds like an error, in my opinion. Like, if you had that account, you reset a different account, and then they wiped away the trades out of your one account. Like, that doesn't make any sense. You got to double check with them. Definitely open up a ticket with them. Well, then just say, I need to speak with a person, because they'll put you through to a person. So you just got to ask for that. Just say, I need to speak with a person. I mean, I always use their support chat on the website. I just say, like, to get past the bot, all you got to do is say, you know, I want to talk to a person. You have to say, I know, Butcher. Yeah. No, don't say that. No, I'm just joking. Weird story though with that whole situation is I obviously, you know, I have some accounts with them also because they're pretty much my favorite firm to trade with. And originally I accidentally signed up. I got like my computer auto corrected my email address when I signed up. So then I went through like a whole process with them to try to like get them to switch me over to the correct email address. Eventually they did. And then recently when they sent out an email about, you know, some problems like with their KYC situation. So they're making people get their KYC if they're new accounts. Anyways, they paused my accounts and I was like, what's going on here? So I messaged them and I was kind of like, hey guys, you know, like this is an issue that happened like when I first started trading with you guys. And, you know, I accidentally put in the wrong email. And then AJ, the CEO, actually helped me and he switched my account to the correct email. And then I just kind of explained that to them and then they unpaused my account. So they're pretty good. They're pretty good, I'd say.
No revenge. Under posting schedules every day. Pre-market and wide Globex all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code.
See, Butcher knows the CEO.
Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking longer short.
I don't think you'll get talking to AJ though on support anymore. I think that that was back when they're fresh new, right? GMAC, I'm leaning bullish still, you know, like we gapped up. We've been kind of trying to get above the VWAP here for a bit. It's hard for me to be bearish at the moment. Until we fully get below this point of control here, I'll be fully bearish. But in the meantime, I kind of have to be somewhat bullish, but I do have a little bit of criteria. I'm not just going to like buy this and hope it goes up, right? I'm waiting for this guy to potentially get inverted here, this bearish fair value gap. So if we can get a candle closure above 28,686, I'll be looking for a retest into the 670 area with the potential to move back to the previous day high. That's kind of the trade that I'm looking for. So it'd be something like this. Let me just switch up the song here real quick. So something like this, I'll probably front run this by a little bit, and then we would have our stop sort of down at the VWAP here. So it would be like a 48 to 59 stop to TP there. Base hits that, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG feel then we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows. No stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, MNQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pull. I would trade your plan, try improve. I'm not, I usually don't tell people how to trade their trades, you know what I mean? You're better off to come up with their strategy. I don't like this area. I'm not looking to buy it right now or sell it. I'm just being patient right now to wait for some sort of indication as to what price might be doing. So that's a no comment to your question there. On the 15-minute, maybe a lower high. Yeah, it looks like it. I mean, we kind of peaked out on this candle. And then we've pulled lower now 2 candles in a row. Been using the 30-second chart to see the rips. Working well for a couple hours now. Nice. Yeah, I mean, we are pretty rangy, right? So if you can get in on those little support areas pretty quickly. Scalp the range if you feel comfortable with it. Quick trades, though. Yeah, keep it tight. Don't look for too many points. That's definitely the way to trade this market. don't be looking for continuation right now. That's why I'm waiting for some sort of, like, first I want to see this bearish fair value gap get inverted, then a pullback for an entry to go higher. But, you know, if that doesn't play out, maybe, you know, kind of getting back into this channel here could end up, you know, maybe if we get a closure below this trend line here, we might look a little bit more bearish, and we're going to head back down to like the 200 EMA, which has the bottom of this channel here, possibly. Yeah, always have a stop in place. Unprofessional opinion, we will range a lot because of earnings. Yeah. I mean, just the price action is telling us we're ranging, right? For sure. So I can't agree more, guys. I can't agree more. Hey, 134 people in YouTube and 11 people in X. How we doing, everybody? Welcome to the stream. If you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Turn it to all. And if you are subscribed already, check that bell button, because a couple people in the chat have told me that for some reason their bell has been turned from all to personalized. So just double check on that if it matters to you. But I'd appreciate it if you did, and appreciate the support. Thanks a lot for all the likes coming to the stream, all that good stuff. We got 77 likes, so we're getting our way up to 100 here. Once we get up to the 100 point, we'll be pretty close to starting that giveaway. 25K Lucid Flex account. Speaking of Lucid, I should double check here when I can request more accounts. Let's see, coupon management, coupon request. I can request more coupons here in about 8 days. So hey, Sonia Rai, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. Welcome to the channel. I'm Dave. Some people call me Butcher. Some people call me Market Butcher. But yeah, I stream Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a couple hours. Usually, well, I always are live with a good friend there, Nick. He's a Mustang trader. I posted his channel earlier. Is it still copied? Yeah, it is. So there's a link to Nick's channel, guys. He goes live at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning. So if you want another guy that you can follow, he's a crazy scaling risk management master. So if you guys want to, like, you know, learn a little bit about how to scale with your prop firms, how to have some good risk management, copy trading, he's definitely a good guy to watch. He's live 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can check him out on his channel. And then at around 9:15 or so, he comes over and joins me, and we stream live together Monday to Friday for the market open. 142 people in YouTube right now. Thank you, everybody. What are we doing here with this price, though, guys? Are we going to pop or what? Are we going to drop? I don't know. Yo, Jim Nada Torres, LOL. You just saw that now? Don't bring up politics with him? Yeah. You're up 7:30 tonight. Nice, Clee. Good for you. Good for you. Also, guys, if you're interested, I do have a website here. You can get some trading gear if you're interested. We got VWAP is King collection right now. I have a nice little shirt here, sweater, a hat. There's a couple different colors on the hat. You can get a coffee cup with VWAP is King, and also a giant mouse pad for your desk, like one of those desk side ones where you can have your keyboard and your mouse on it. So it's a good little gift if you're buying it for maybe a friend or a family member who is also into trading, or if you just want to wear some of the gear, some of the swag, and support the channel. Appreciate it. Marketbutchertrades.com. Check it out. My shameless plug of the night there. It's your jam? Yep. What if you bring down politics? baby metal right here. FN Trades. Hey, bud. I need to put some more time into making some more collections for the website there. I think we had an issue with YouTube last week talking about how wonderful the government is. Might try to keep the bar rules because of the big brother. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm thinking too. Like I've been just trying to avoid the whole conversations now. Just try to change the subject if it ever comes up, just in general, just because, yeah. We're, as much as we are, you know, we do need to pay attention to politics because we're into trading. There's no really need to go much further into discussing it other than like, be careful, guys. Trump is talking right now because you know how it affects the market, right? So just being aware with what's kind of going on with the news and the politics in that sense, it's good. But, you know, everyone has such different opinions. I'm kind of finding that, and while I'm all right with people talking about their opinions, it's probably best to just sort of try to leave it out as much as possible because, you know, we're all here to have a good time and we're here focused on trading. So and you know, it's hard to like you can't really just change people's opinions on their politics. They have real life experiences as to why they feel a certain way. So I think it's best if, you know, we try to keep it to a minimum, right? Yeah, people get butthurt about politics a lot. I mean, and it's because of personal experiences and their outlooks, and you know, 95%, 99% of the time, people are warranted on their opinions, right? And that's a good thing about being in United States or being in Canada is we have, well, I was gonna say something about our Canadian politics right now because they're trying to limit our free speech right now, but so we got to be careful about what we say somewhat in Canada now. But anyways, in the States, you know, free speech is part of your guys' rights. So, David Madrid, nothing mixes well with politics. Yeah, exactly, right? Hey, hello, David. What's Ralph's opinion? He gets tired when we talk about politics. Look at him. He's like, oh, geez, he's looking away. Like, stop talking about politics, guys. I think he's getting cold. I might toss a blankie on him. We're getting a little bit of a pop here on the market. Greg says, can't say anything that goes against the political narrative of the Red Party in Canada right now. Yes, exactly. that's a nice way to put it, Greg. Because yeah. Because they're actually going after people for things that they posted or said on social media, even in the past, even though they've changed some of the laws recently. So who would have guessed back to the top of the range? Really? Who would have guessed? I didn't know. People who are trading the range, probably. ForceFed, what up, you master traders? ForceFed in the house. That bill that passed in Canada that says, that's all I'll say about politics. Yes, I know, Toasty. And it's also in the UK, right, already. So Yeah, unfortunately, it is what it is. Hopefully we can get some positive changes in Canada. Might turn things better. Hopefully with the current government or with the new government, we can get some better things going on. See how like neutral I'm being now? I'm just being careful about what I say. Dude, I might have to talk to HR about the song I made on Suno. Really? Why? What happened? I shared with a friend and it spread like wildfire. Oh, really? There you go. Well, that's a good thing. Ralph is cute. Is he a puppy? No, he's definitely not a puppy. Pretty-eyed Mrs. Nice name. Ralph is a 10-and-a-half-year-old French bulldog. So his birthday is on November 11th. November 11th. Yeah. So he's a special dog. You know, he's had a pretty tough life. Unfortunately, he got hit with the not so good situation in regards to his spinal cord situation. He's had a couple surgeries. He's been dealing with some lung problems and bacterial skin infections. So we're working hard to get rid of the bacterial skin infection, and mostly everything else is dealt with. But he can't walk anymore because of the 2 surgeries that he got. But he's still a happy guy. That's a good thing about a dog. You just don't know any better. You just, all you want is food and your people, and you know, chew on a little ball once in a while, and sleep. He loves his sleep, you know. What do you give him for that? Like, what do I give him for his skin problem, you mean? If you're talking about the skin problem, he's on antibiotics right now, and then I also treat the skin problems with like spray. It's like a antibacterial steroid spray. So he gets probiotics with his food because he's on antibiotics. So you got to like kind of, I guess the antibiotics kill the probiotics in your stomach. So so he gets some probiotics and antibiotics, and then a topical spray, and I also have a cream for him. Yeah. And he gets lots of like medicated baths too. So I give him like yesterday I gave him a bath in some like medicated water, and then I have medicated shampoo that I use for him. So different breeds of dogs have different medical problems. Yeah. French bulldogs specifically have a lot of problems, unfortunately. So Ken Yap in those. Hey guys, so if you are new to the channel, make sure you head over to the Discord. You have a little bit of time still. If you guys get into the Discord, go to the giveaway channel and go to the pinned comment at the top. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. Easy way to do it here. So here's the Discord. We have over 400 people in there. So there's a little giveaway channel here on the left-hand side. Click that. Then there's a little pinned message here. If you just click that, it'll bring it down. So right here is a Google Docs form. We update this form once a month. If you just click on that and fill it out, you enter your name, your email, your YouTube name, the country that you live in. Once you fill all that out, you'll be entered into all of the Sunday giveaways for the entire month. So you only have to do it once per month. At the end of the month, I reset the form, so you do have to go back in at the start of the next month and fill it out, and you'll be entered in for all the Sunday giveaways. Then throughout the week, if you're here on the stream, on the evening streams, I do about 3, sometimes 4 duck races during the week. And if you win those duck races, you get like an extra entry into the Sunday giveaway. So 1 entry for filling out the form on the Discord. And then if you win a race during the week, you get a second duck. So that just like increases your chance of winning on Sunday. And, and also like sort of like, says it's a way for me to say thank you to you guys for being part of the stream throughout the week, supporting the stream throughout the week. So I usually give about 3 ducks away per evening on Tuesday and Thursday nights. Sometimes we'll even do it like on a Sunday night. But yeah, head over to the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, find that pinned comment. It's either scroll to the very top, it's in there, or just hit that little button that looks like a little pin, and then it'll bring it down. Fill out the form on there, and you'll be entered into the Sunday giveaway. Look at this guy, hey. He's so cute. His head just mashed right into the blankie, and he's just like, are you moving the camera again? Have you ever considered the Bulldog sketch? Have you ever seen Consider the Bulldog sketch? No, I have not seen it. What is it? Red, what's up, Red? Oh, you got, this is a new song? I could always use another song like this. It sounds pretty good already. Working with pets all day. I like it. I like it. It's a song about your coworker? Nice. Full-on narcissist? Do I watch other streamers a lot? I figure after a while it's better to follow your own path and get used to your own trading plan. Okay, so I used to watch a lot of streamers like throughout the day all the time before I started going live. And then over time you start to like learn who's actually a good trader. And then I do watch, like I'll have them open sometimes on the side screen here. So I'll usually like, my trading style is very similar to like Zach Arbucci, which is because I kind of like took VWAP and I kind of like intertwined some of his styles with it, because that's kind of where I did some of my futures learning was with ASFX TV. So I'll often have him live on there, or another trader that, you know, other traders that trade similarly to me. And, you know, I don't really follow their trades necessarily, but it's good to like see their biases on the day. So it's just, it's almost like another added confluence, right? And obviously they're not right every time either. So that's why I'm not really following other people's trades, but it doesn't hurt to like see other people's biases. Like if they're in a short or if they're in a long, did they get short? Are they in drawdown? Are they not? Like what's happening for them, right? I don't spend too much focus on it, but I do usually keep it open and just occasionally taking a look at what's going on, right? Yeah, Red, I'll definitely play it. So Mike Wall didn't even sit this far sideways. Yeah. Up 512 scalping account. Nice job, buddy. That's awesome. That is awesome.
Just discipline. Market open, let's begin. Trust the process, play to win. Plan the trade, respect the risk. Don't let ego make the pick. One setup, that's enough. Patient traders always tough. Every candle tells a story. Discipline becomes
okay, so I do if price starts getting away from the VWAP, Bryce. So like currently we're so close to the VWAP, I'm not really turning it on because I'm just trading fair value gaps at the moment. And since we're kind of like in this range, I'm not really looking for it. But yes, quite often I do turn on the positive and negative up to 3 standard deviation band-aids. So, M. Brown, Market Butcher, Jesus Christ loves you. Have you surrendered your life to God? Repent and receive salvation. Jesus Christ is the way, the truth, and the life, what you're waiting for. I mean, I do have Christian values. So I grew up going to Sunday school, and I believe in all that kind of stuff. I try to like run my life in similar values to like Christianity, but I don't really practice going to church and stuff like that. I don't think that necessarily makes you more of a Christian, but I think it's more about like how you run your life, how you treat others, stuff like that. So I hope that I hope God will accept me into heaven at the end of this life, and that's kind of what I'm shooting for. Hey Bryce, no problem. When my days are single digit trade days, I'm heavy green. When I start to hit 30 trades, it gets ugly and red. There you go. Well, hey, that's an indicator that maybe you need to limit yourself to under 10 trades per day. Or, like what I like to do is I just kind of like switch, have multiple accounts and trade them one at a time, or trade a couple at a time. So banditos. Banditos, yeah. That should have been Paul Wall. Okay. It might get fired. Oh, damn. Careful. Well, nobody knows. Here it is. Here's Red's new song, guys. Check it out.
Started working my new job, and I love it.
Watch God pulls up you day trading profile and starts questioning your full port days. Yeah. I always wonder about religion. One side says they are the one true religion. The other side says they're the same. Am I guessing one of them is wrong? Well, I don't know. I don't really know FN trades. I don't know that, I think as long as you believe in the higher power and, have good values, that some of them I think are going to get you to the same ending, right? That's just my opinion. I'm not going to say which I think do or don't, but I think that there's some truth to a lot of them, right? They're just interpreted differently. But that's just my opinion. Hey, Paul, how are you doing? You opened up a cheap 19 Apex account to mess around with? There you go. Yeah, exactly. If you start feeling tilty, then just go to one of those, cheapy accounts, right? Waffle House won't be the same without you. What did I miss here? Musashi in the house. Hey, good afternoon from Tokyo. Welcome, welcome. Kyle, just YOLO and send it? True. Full port, one trade. Yeah. You could. Market Butcher, the important thing is that you have a daily conversation with God. He can talk to you and talk back on decisions in your life. One-to-one God through Jesus Christ helps a lot. Okay, thank you for that, M. Brown. I appreciate that. Or one hand all in blackjack at the casino. There you go. One volatile alternative. 3 things to avoid: small talk, politics, religion, and money problems. Okay. Good point. It's all fun and games until you actually pass the account. Then you suddenly have to become responsible, right? I miss Waffle House. The worse the neighborhood, the better the food. I think Frenchie needs a gal. Look at his face just jammed right into the blankie. He looks so cute there. Waffle House attracts an unsavory crowd past midnight. Yeah, true. That's true. I really got to go work through all these songs and remove some and reorganize them and stuff. I was trying to get to that today. I never got around to it though, unfortunately. I was like cleaning up the StreamYard, because eventually you gotta like start. I always have to download all my videos that I put on you know, that we do all these live streams, and I have like an external hard drive that I put them in, and then I delete it all because I got to keep space available for the future recordings. And then I had to go through and just clean up my computer because it's getting a little overloaded with too much stuff. Looks like, sorry guys, I had the book map was like stuck on an older time frame. Getting a bit of a pop here, guys. This is hourly candle? No. Back up above the VWAP here. Market Butcher live stream schedule. Mustang Trader, 7:30 a.m. Dave and Mustang, 9:15 a.m. And then 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the evening streams. Yes, exactly. Thank you, Angia. Someone said that this year could be the year of the rapture. Instead of having UFC event on the White House lawn next year, they're talking about putting a Waffle House location there for the weekend. Oh, that would work too, eh? NQ Contract Killer in the house. Hey, man, how are you? So choppy, right, Clee? Yes. Force fed 28,000 this week. Maybe, guys. Maybe. Could be. Went to college with a girl who was kidnapped from a Waffle House after midnight. Are you serious? Is she okay? Because that's some scary business right there. A Chihuahua female might keep him awake. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Well, I did take a long here. Let's trail this guy up. One micro here, up 35 bucks currently. Let's see if we can't get a little bit more of a push. Sort of a quick entry there. She didn't survive. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. Price action board the risk manager to sleep. Yeah. Yeah, I know what's going on. Ralph's that's what I was saying. Is like Ralph's not even interested in him being awake, guys, because he's just so bored with this price action. I'm getting bored too. That's why I ended up taking a little scalp here. One micro. Standing to make about 6 points if we get a pullback here, if this thing doesn't continue. Which is probably going to pull back. I mean, I don't know what we're expecting here. So tonight is marked as a high volatility night and likely being suppressed to the downside. So you think it's going to pop still? My favorite AI. A duck race would be exciting. How are we doing on the likes? Are we almost at 110? Whoa, 196 people watching, guys. Woo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. We're at 83 likes, so we got about 17 more to go, and then we can get that duck race on the road, get the duck race going. If you're new to the channel, I would appreciate a subscribe and a like, and then head over to the Discord, guys. If you are new, go into the giveaway channel. The Discord is pinned there in the comments. Go to the giveaway channel in the Discord. Scroll to the very top to the pinned comment, or click the button for the pinned comment. There's a Google Docs form there. Fill it out and you'll be entered into tonight's 25K Lucid Flex account giveaway. I think I'm going to lock in a little bit more here. Hopefully this thing just keeps going here. Should probably frame this off with a little flag looking thingy. Kind of a channel. If we can break up above here, maybe I'm going to end up holding this micro for a bit here. I do feel like I should probably just take it right here. You know what? I'm going to just take it, guys. I'm going to take it. Put it right there. Yeah, I got out of that trade just because I locked in 48 bucks total on that trade. I just feel like I don't trust it. We're just ranging. I don't want to just let it come all the way back down from the top of sort of this channel here that we're kind of playing in. It might go higher here, but I'm just you don't go broke by taking profits, you know. So I'm up 48 in that account. I'm up 136 in my other top one account. I'm up what was it, like 41 in my Lucid funded flex. Take profit trader eval up 114 150, sorry, 157, and then my take profit eval, or no, my pro account up 57. So getting pretty green across the board. I do still have my blue sky eval that I haven't traded at all. So got a little bit of green in almost every account except for one of my Lucid funded flex accounts and my blue sky account. 185 eyes, that's a lot of thumbs. Well, it's more than that. It's if you times it by 2, right? We got 194 people in YouTube times 2, right? So it's almost 400 eyes, Kyle. Almost 400 eyes. We should have a lot of thumbs up. Bro cooks fire. Yes, that's what it. That's a pizza oven in the back there. You can see. Keeps it nice and toasty in here. Respect the stop. And remember. It's the wood that never stops burning. Stu Money, hey, what's up, bub? You messing around with crude? No. I haven't really traded crude much, and I'm not really sure, you know, how to. I'm not that confident in trading crude. It's just not something I've really looked into. And I've traded gold a little bit here and there, but it tends to rip my face off, so I've been staying away from it. In these evening sessions, I'm typically looking at NQ. And, you know, during New York, I'll often trade ES, NQ, or YM. Lucid made daily payouts accounts. That's what I heard. But, like, I just went there and I refreshed this guy. And I didn't see it on here. Where is it? Is it the Pro or Flex, or is there a different one I'm just not seeing? Is the Flex a daily payout? Lucid Daily. Sign in and then it appears? Okay. I'll definitely check it out. Well, you can use my code Butcher if you guys are looking to get those accounts. That'd be amazing. Appreciate the support. $202 viewers at the moment, guys. 194 plus 11 in X. Yo, is this you rapping? No, I wish. It's AI music. Log into your dashboard and then check. Let me see here. I'll log in. I'm already logged in, so let me see. Sign in. And then add account, maybe. Oh, yeah. Lucid Daily. Gotcha. Okay. 50K daily. Profit target 3,000. Max loss 2,000. Drawdown and eval. So you can pick. Which is going to increase the cost, right? So you can do end of day or you can do intraday. Daily loss limit is on or off. Consistency 50%. Max size 4 minis, 40 micros. Account activation fee is free. Daily payouts, no consistency, and funded. So if you want to probably do end of day, and I mean daily loss limit, I wonder what the price difference is going to be. Turn it on. Wow. Only $115 if you're put the daily loss limit in. With it off, $135. Damn, guys. Code Butcher. Get them while they're hot. I'm definitely going to have to pick up one or some of these guys. Jeez. So what about the funded rules? Max loss 2,000, daily loss limit none. Drawdown type intraday. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. But no consistency. But intraday. So I'm assuming once you get over the 2,000, you get out of the intraday, right? So it's kind of like take profit traders, right? Like a TPT Pro account. You got to get past the buffer with using intraday, and then once you get past the buffer, then you don't have to worry about intraday trailing drawdown. If you hit max loss, you have till end of day to move it back up. What is that? What do you mean? Oh. Why is end of day better than daily? Intraday sucks because if even if you have a winning trade but you let it pull back on you, you're going to lose part of your drawdown, right? You're already used to that with TPT? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, but it does make it harder, right? Nice job, my favorite AI. If you hit max loss, you have till end of day to make the move back up. No, if you hit max loss, you lose the account no matter what. I don't know if you made a typo there. I got a new Duck Race song. Nice. Yeah, just the intraday trailing drawdown isn't as good. It's harder. It's not that it's like really bad, but it's kind of like, if you're up 800 and then you close it at 500 in profit, like you lose 300 off your drawdown, right? And then you already lose that 300. Say you take another $300 loser on your next trade, then you're down 600 on your drawdown. So it just can turn into a spiral situation, right? All right, Klee, you have a great night and congratulations on those trades. Banger, locking in some good money. End of day drawdown. End of day drawdown is so, like you always have $2,000 drawdown, right? Left us. So at the end of the day, whatever your new account balance is at the end of the day, say you make $200, so you're at 50,200, right? Originally, the start of the day when it's a brand new account is going to be 48,000 is your max loss limit at 2,000 off of the account, right? So if you're up $200 at the end of the day, now your drawdown will be 48,200, right? So whatever profit you have at the end of the day, that's where your new 2,000 drawdown gets set from. Until you cross the buffer of the 2,000 in profit, it just keeps moving it up. So you can only ever lose 2,000, even if you're up 1,000. You can only lose 2,000 out of the account. So if you have intraday and you go up by $1,000 and then you sell it for a $1 winner, you're going to be down 999 out of your drawdown. So it's kind of like the two main different drawdown types. So end of day is better because as long as you're green on the day, you're not going to have any of your drawdown taken away on that day. What's your perfect specs for trading PC? I would build it like a gaming computer. I don't know exactly what the perfect specs would be, but I would have a ton of RAM, a really fast video card, a really fast processor, and lots of memory. So I don't know what that exactly means. I built my computer probably about seven years ago, and it's still a banger computer. So yes, intraday is so whatever the highest amount that your account had in it throughout the day is where your drawdown gets set to. So that's why I said if it goes up 2,000 and then you end up closing it at only $100 winner, you lose 1,900 off of your drawdown. So you could be $100 away from losing your account. So that's why intraday is so hard and end of day is better, because if you were up 2,000 and you close it up only plus 100, you still have, you know, 2,000 drawdown the next day because you had a positive trading day. Yeah, so Big Teflon. So the main thing is like you really want to try to close your account near the highest point that it is on the day, right? So that's why it's good to like, you know, it doesn't bother anyone if they're shooting for like a 10 or 15 point take profit, because as it moves into that price and they sell their trade, then your drawdown never goes down, right? So it's like if you're trying to leave it to be a really long runner, then those accounts are not good for you. Yeah, you got to hit base hits on those. So RTX 5090 AMD CPU, minimum 64 gigs memory, NVMe SSD. There you go. Masashi knows exactly what you guys need in your computer. So yeah, as long as you trail your winners and like keep it relatively tight, like you'll be okay too. So there's two ways. One way is either, you know, set your TP and wait for it to hit that, and then it'll lock it, you know, it'll lock in your profits at the high point, or be pretty tight with your trailing stop, right? I have 4 monitors. I have like my main one that's straight in front. I have a vertical one off to the left here. I have a wide screen, a curved wide screen on the right. And then the one that I'm looking at up top is like just it's an older 24 inch, 24, maybe a 27 inch screen. And that's where I'm looking at the chat. And then the camera is like up here. So it kind of makes sense that I got you guys, all the chat up there. So I'm kind of looking at you when I'm talking. Right? How are we doing on the likes? Are we at that 100 point yet? We got to get this giveaway going here in the near distance, not too distant future here. Sorry, guys. I have this off the charts here. It should be pinned. Look at that. See? This is exactly why I sold it. We're just range bound here. And, you know, I sold it. I mean, I sold it a little bit lower. I could have waited for this candle to close, but this is what I was talking about. Like this little trend line here, we're kind of in this channel, and look at that. We just pulled all the way back down. So it's really easy to build them, Chris. To be honest, it's not that hard. If you go to like egg. What are anybody remind me of the names of the websites where you can buy all your computer parts, and it'll tell you if they're compatible and everything. And to be honest, it's just like plug and play, right? Newegg, yes, Masashi, thank you. Yeah. So if you go to places like Newegg or some other, there's a couple other ones too. You can literally build your computer, and it'll tell you if it's compatible, and then they'll send you all the parts. And then the only hard part is just like knowing where to like plug in. Sometimes there's like those small plugs, the 1-pin plugs you gotta pin in here and there for, you know, maybe your RGB lights or things like that. But it's relatively easy, to be honest, and it's pretty fun. It's fun to build it too. Micro Center and Newegg, nice, yeah. Everyone say Newegg. Yeah, just follow the manual. Yeah. I haven't heard of Micro Center either, but what, you can do it on Temu? Really? No Temu? Or you're saying no Temu? Don't do Temu. Micro Centers in USA and Canada. Computers in Canada? Nice. PC Part Picker. Yeah, that's where I got. So I got some of it off PC Part Picker, and I got some of it off Newegg. Don't do Temu. Gotcha. Oh, Kyle was joking. Kyle's just joking. You tried going for computer certs? I couldn't focus on the material. Oh, really? Hey? Nice. My P-head computer is Temu, Kyle. There you go. Keep it off the good one, right? I was thinking about buying one of those Apple cubes for my next computer, but I don't know. Just because they're like pretty good for producing. Look at this, guys. We're all the way back up to the channel. So is this going to be the breakout time or what? I don't know. Let's be patient here. It might be. It might be. After we did that bit of a manipulation. Although the volume is pretty low here, guys. So I don't trust it yet. Like I said, I want to see us invert this fair value gap. Then I'll be looking to get a pullback into it and then a long, sort of targeting up here towards the previous day high. So you want to hold for at least 5 minutes for now? You're still locked out for the scalping account, but this is why I have a swing account, currently long 3 MNQ. Nice job. Nice job. Beautiful. Love it. Ooh, we got 97 likes. And we're still like 35 minutes away from the hour. So usually we do the giveaways sort of at the hour-ish. So maybe we need to shoot for, 110 likes, maybe, guys? Think we can get there? 110? It's only 12 more. No, if we'll just hang out till another 20 or so minutes, and we'll get the duck races going. We usually do it somewhere around 10 p.m. my time, which is 11, 12, 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I know I won't move the goalpost. Smash on to the likester button, folks. Like both streams? Yeah, I mean, that's awesome. I would appreciate that, but no pressure. You don't have to go over there. Looks like we're about to get the big one of these. You think we're gonna get one of these? My favorite AI. Oh, almost lost it there. Think we're gonna get one of these guys? Let's get one of these. Let's get one of these, guys. Woo-hoo. Those previous VWAP band closes were accurate as heck. Hey, nice. Sorry, I hope that wasn't offensive for anybody, but it's just an inside joke about, big green candles. I always wonder if I'm like, if people are gonna get offended by that, but it's a funny joke for the stream, right? It's a funny joke. Okay, yeah, I'll get on that. I'll get on that, Chris. Red Day, another WSB lore. Another James Hill? Another what? If they get offended, they aren't our type. Shrek Dongus? Shrek Dongus? Is Kospi dumping again today? I thought somebody said that earlier, but then they said it was ripping. So I don't know if they were saying it's ripping down. Vancouver is expecting the heat wave. Is not expecting the heat wave. No, it's raining right now. It's better than what you call the big red candles. Yes, it is. It is. I'm sitting out in my gazebo trading, sweating your bees off. Force Fed, where are you from again? Like, how are you outside sweating your bees off? Isn't it late where you are? I thought you were in the US. Is it just super hot? Those are all the accounts I have? What's that? Where do you have your buy-in at? I don't have any trades yet. I'm looking for, I did take a little scalp there earlier, but I'm looking for a candle closure above 28,685 for a long, basically. I'm just not liking this price action. It's really range bound. So this is kind of like an accumulation stage we're in right now. So it would be nice even if we were to like rip all the way down and then find support and then go back up and invert this fair value gap. So Fawn John's 406. You live in Florida and it's about 80 degrees outside still. Wow, really? Damn. And is it dark out already for you? But yeah, because it's super late in Florida, right? It's like almost 1 a.m. in Florida. Oh my god, dog farts are the worst. Yeah, probably. So hey guys, make sure you head into Discord, guys, so you can get entered into the giveaway. So once you get into the giveaway or get into the Discord, go to this giveaway entry channel here on the right. And then up on the top right corner here, you might be hard to see it, but right up here, there's a little like pin looking thing. If you hit that button, it'll show you the pinned message here. And then just click this little link here. This is a Google Docs form. Just put in your information in there, your email, your YouTube name, whatnot like that. Don't worry, I won't spam you about anything. But if I do a larger giveaway, so I'm going to request for like a larger account from Lucid, and then I'll do like sort of an email campaign. I'll let you guys know that I'm going to be doing a giveaway, but I won't reach out to you guys for anything else. Nothing crazy. I won't share your email with anybody. Don't worry. But yeah, so click that form, fill it out, and then you'll be entered into all the Sunday giveaways for the rest of the month. I do reset this form once a month. So if it's a fresh month, make sure you come back into the Discord, click on that form and refill it out. And then you'll be entered in for the next month's Sunday giveaways. You do have to be here on the live on the stream to claim it. So just entering the form will get you an entry, but you got to be here to claim it, right? The only other rules that I have behind it is, one is you can only win one Sunday in a row. So if you win this Sunday, you won't be able to win on next Sunday's race. Two is you have to be in a country that allows Lucid to trade, right? So if there is a few countries that they don't allow you to trade their accounts. And then the third country can't win in a row, and then you got to be live on stream to get it, right? Throughout the week, we do extra duck races on Tuesday and Thursday nights typically, where we if we put a form in the YouTube chat, you fill that form out, you'll be entered into that night's duck race. And that race, if you win it, wins you an extra duck into the Sunday race. So if you win a race during the week, you're going to have 2 ducks on the Sunday race, which is the day that we give away the account. So just kind of rewarding people for being part of the stream throughout the week. Sorry if I say that too many times, but yeah. I just want anyone who's new to know what's going on. So, can you take me off the list? If it's a Lucid giveaway, you're in Vietnam. Vietnam doesn't allow you to trade Lucid. One volatile alternative. Applied as Alex Low dam regulations. Really? Oh, that's too bad. Sorry to hear that. Don't get a heat stroke at force fed. Yeah, right. Force fed, stay hydrated with water. Your body will thank you later. Yeah, or even some electrolytes. All right, so we hit that target, guys. We'll do that duck race here in about 10 minutes. And yeah, we'll do that duck race here in about 10 minutes. Thank you so much for hitting the like button, supporting the stream. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. How are we doing on the subscribers, guys? Are we going to hit 1900 today? Are we? Before I refresh it, I'm just going to say please and thank you. Oh my God. 1870. Well, we gained some. I was hoping we were going to be a little bit higher, but hey, no complaints here. I appreciate the any of you new subscribers. Thanks so much. Working our way up to the 1900 level, and then 2000 is right around the corner. So Richard Dowdy, you think you entered last week? Yeah, if you go back to the form and try to fill it out, it'll tell you if you already filled it out. No, I'm not taking it long here. retail futures trader, not at the moment. I just feel like we're still in this chop range, so I'm not convinced we're gonna pick a direction at the moment. So what I'm waiting for is an inversion of this. So I need a price bullish candle to close above 685. Then I'll be looking for a pullback into this inverted fair value gap for the long continuation. That's kind of the trade that I'm looking for right now. That's why I have this little guy lining up here. So what I'm going to want to look for here is, let's see, where's the brush. So I'm hoping for something like this, a candle closure up here, a pullback into here, and then a move to the higher side like that, sort of, and that'll get me the entry. So I want a candle closure up in this area, and then a pullback into here, and then this will be where I take the long, looking for a move. Maybe it's going to do something like this, but or even like this maybe. But yeah, that's kind of what the trade that I'm looking for right now. This is an interesting confluence because the scalp account is activated but swing near break even. Gotcha. Oh, it's very bullish. I ordered many cans of pineapple juice, staying cool that way. Hey, that's smart. Pineapple juice is yumminess. Very good. We topped at the 1x VWAP band. Okay. That sounds about right. Sorry, I think I've had this song on way too long, haven't I? Let's go with the good old bass hits, guys. Let's go use the bathroom real quick. Be right back. Uno momento, por favor. 1分钟。谢谢。I'm just stacking little bass hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ switching stops in a rip switch. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase sides, but we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, and we stay lit. Just stacking up these bass hits. 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 Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice means for scalping plays. Someone so early, now the regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little bass hits. Oh, Ralph woke up. See, this is why I'm like not really sure I want to take a long yet. This price has not been that friendly to us, guys. Not being that friendly. So Ralph is about to rip up. He shrugged. How to enter the giveaway? Head to the Discord. Cryptonomy. Head to the Discord. Go into the giveaway channel. Scroll to the top, or just hit the little pinned button, and there will be a Google Docs form that you fill out. I'll download that in a minute, and I'll pump that into ChatGPT. Get out any duplicate entries, because ChatGPT is really good at figuring that out. And often there is a couple people that kind of like get in there with 2 different Discord accounts and try to enter twice. ChatGPT is pretty good at weeding them out. And yeah. And then you'll be entered into this Sunday giveaway and all the Sunday giveaways for the rest of the month until the end of the month. And then make sure you guys come back and get back into the Discord and fill that out one more time. So what did Red, you sent me something else here? Red, my duck can't be found. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the NASDAQ too. One of y'all line, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern Duck Race song, nice. Taking a look at the book map here, it looks like we got a bunch of orders there at 690, 687, 687, 690, 700. What about MNQ here? 700, 142 contracts, 730, 75 contracts. 655, we have 58 contracts here, so sort of right at the top of the range here. So if we're going to break out, now's the time. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't trust this market at the moment. So, hey, you're welcome, Cryptonomy. How do you keep cool in Hong Kong, Angia? Good luck with the draw. Yes. We will likely rise to fill the orders. When you say orders, you mean buys or sells. So if they're above price, they're going to be sell orders. If they're below price, they're going to be buy orders. Because if they're like a stop order, like a market, like a stop loss, they don't get sent to the market until price hits that level. Then your chart will automatically send it, right? So if it's on the price above, it's a sell order. If it's on the price below, it's a buy order. And no guarantee that we're going to go fill those orders. There's no guarantee. But typically, if we're dark below, like there's not lots of orders below and there's more orders above, we're probably going that direction, but not a guarantee. So just keep that in mind, right? What about stop limit orders for traders trying to buy breakouts? Well, those they won't be on the book map until the last second when it gets activated on your chart, right? Because a stop order is not sent to like the exchange until it gets activated on your chart, right? So that's why it won't be that. But you know, some of those orders are controlled by algos and they'll pull them off before price gets there, right? You can kind of watch them and add and pull orders too, in my opinion. Yeah, you can definitely watch them add and pull orders for sure, 100%. Ralph looks so tired. He's looking at me like, why are you waking me up, guys? Why are you waking me up? Angia it's moving up now with your minis. You're in a mini long right now, Angia? Damn. Or you went short. Why do I see skulls? Angia's posting skulls here. What did I miss? I was trying to click 2 micros, but instead I got 3 minis long. I'm cooked. Well, I hope it's going up. I hope we... Please don't pull back. Waiting for the hourly candle to open. Well, I mean, if you're in a little bit of profit, just close it, or size it down at least. I've done that before too. I blew my Lucid Pro funded account not that long ago by accidentally going in with 3 minis instead of 3 micros. Yes, we are climbing. We are climbing. How long do we have? We only have 6 minutes till the hourly candle. So maybe we're going to get this trade to play out here, guys. So like I said, I'm waiting for an inversion of this fair value gap up there at 686. If we can get a candle closure up there, then we'll be waiting for a pullback into the 670s for a continuation higher. You're waiting for the hourly candle to open? Okay. Dollar seems to be getting bid with crypto sold, gold from forming high HNS. I don't know if we trust rally in NQ. Yeah, fair enough, fair enough. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take away the form in the chat there. Not that it'll still be on the Discord, but I'm gonna start. Or it's not. Never mind. It's not even posted in the Discord. What am I talking about here? I'm gonna download the form and get the giveaway list going here while we wait for the hourly candle. So let's see. We got 144 entries. So what I want to do here is go to this guy right here. 145 entries. And then what I'm going to do is go download CSV file and then upload that into ChatGPT. Get it to take out any duplicates. Duck race entry summary chat. You didn't see how to enter on Discord? Not sure what I did wrong. So just go into the giveaway channel, right? And then you got to scroll to the very top. Either scroll to the very top. Here, I'll show you real quick how it works. Okay, so go into the giveaway channel here on the left, right? And then either just scroll all the way to the top here. And you'll see it's a pinned comment here, the very top one, and this is a little link right there. Or there's this little like pinned message button on the top right corner of the screen. You can kind of see it right beside the QR code there that you probably see my mouse. You can also click that, and that'll just bring you directly to this message here, which has the Google Docs form. So go in there and yeah, use pinned. Go in there, and you'll be able to get. Just fill it out. You'll be entered. And I'll double check here before we do the race to make sure how many people we have. So hey, you're welcome. Starting to break out here a bit. We do have that hourly candle coming up here in about 2 minutes, so let's see what's going to happen with that guy. But everything is still sort of leaning bullish, in my opinion. Not financial advice or anything, but it's looking that way. Ralph looks so comfortable right now. Hey guys, he's so cute. I love that guy. Hey, 209 people watching right now. 194 in YouTube, 15 in X. Welcome everybody. If you guys are in X, you really gotta get over to the Discord and get in that entry. You can win from X also, but you got to be able to just type in the chat and say that you're here if you're the winner. I should really be linking the Discord to people in X also, now that I'm thinking about it. Invite to server, copy link. Go over to X here, go to my channel, the live stream, and post it in there. There's a link to the Discord if you're in the X channel there. Head over to the Discord, fill out that giveaway form. You have a few minutes here before we're gonna run the race, and get your entries before it's too late. If not, you'll be entered in the next Sunday giveaway also. Shoot, it says connection interrupted. Still waiting for ChatGPT to give me the answer here. Oh, Dad's in the house. Hey, Dad. Good evening. Thanks for tuning in. That reversal was sharp. Yeah, see, this is a problem, right? We're getting into the bearish fair value gap. So this is kind of my criteria. That's why I'm waiting for an inversion of this bearish fair value gap. Then we can look for a pullback into it for a move higher. They might just be retesting this breakout level too. NQ contract killer. Hey, Dad. Oh, look how cute Ralph looks right now. Hey, guys. He's just like zonked. Laying on his little like white, cute little blankie. Why is ChatGPT taking so long here? I'm going to refresh this thing. It might be that the message thing is getting too long. Okay, seems like it's working this time. Wayne, what's up, Wayne? 3-minute test bar. Alrighty, buddy. Let's see. 3-minute test bar. Yeah, it seems like a test bar to me. Retesting these levels here. Taking a GC long, 3-point stop, 30-point TP. Wow, nice, bro. I hope that works out for you. Trade it until you make it. Nice. I like the name. Once it breaks out, it's gonna be massive. I know it's been building up. It's been building up. Well, this is a new hourly candle, though, hey? Okay, so remove confirmed duplicate entries based on addresses. Remove the previous identified suspected duplicate. Added somebody else. Applied all the current tracked bonus ducks, including recent updates.
No emotions, no surprise. Trade the facts, not the highs. Market open, let's begin. Trust the process, play to win. Plan the trade, respect the risk. Don't let ego make the pick. One set up, that's enough. Patient traders always tough. Every candle tells a story. Discipline becomes the glory. Previous high, previous low. Where's the market wanna go? Gaps and blocks, a silent call. Time to watch the market fall. VWAP line beneath my feet. Trending structure can't be beat. If the setup's not in sight, can always wait for light.
No chasing,
No guessing,
no hoping.
just executing.
Wait,
Watch,
react.
react.
Once the breaks out, it's gonna be. I'm still holding NQ. Be a good girl. Don't pull back. Hopefully a massive dump. Oh, Dave uncovered the volume history. Oh. There you go. Forgot I had it set up for. You guys want to see CBD too, probably. So there we go. Thanks for the reminder, Wayne. I appreciate everyone of the hellos. Dad's in the chat saying what's up. Thanks to him, I'm here. Up to 702 now on the scalp. Nice job, my favorite AI. Okay, I'm gonna double check. So I got the list now.
Follow the plan.
Protect the capital.
Trust your edge.
Wait.
Execute.
The market owes me nothing. Just possibility. My job's not prediction.
It's execution.
The edge.
Consistency.
Market open. Let's begin. Every loss can still be a win if I follow every rule.
Discipline becomes the tool.
Longer trade, longer days. Stack the wins along the way. Tomorrow comes, the market's there.
Okay. Okay, we got that. We got that list. So I'm just gonna double check to make sure that see who else.
Fresh mindset.
Because we got like 2 more people. So I gotta add. I gotta add ICDATCC and trade the price. Danny, trade the price.
New edge. Here we go.
All right.
Morning light.
Edit the list here.
Opportunity.
Just blew 5 accounts that I was so close to passing. No, Villa Capital. I hope you're not being serious. I hope you're not being serious, bro. I don't know how that happened, but I'm sorry to hear that if it is true. My man.
No room for doubt, no regrets, we figure it out. Levels drawn with careful hand, the edges here across the land.
One more candle.
Here we go. One more candle. Here we go.
Green candles got me feeling like a king tonight. Charts clean and every setup looking right. One more breakout, one more perfect call.
Okay, so I'm gonna add a 1 red and a 2 red. So you're gonna have a 1 in front of one and you're gonna have a 2 in front of the other, and then that way you got to decide who's who. Red, if you're still there, just so you know, you can figure out who you want to be nice to. You got a 1 in front of one and a 2 in front of the other. You like the vibe, Mark Butcher? This is my first live stream with it. Hey, thanks, Daniel. Appreciate it.
Everybody says it's manipulation. Everybody got an explanation. Dark pools, fake breaks, liquidity, heartbreak.
Okay, I got the form all filled out. Okay, I just got to add 2 more people. ICDATC. Copy that name. And copy this name.
Blame the whale, blame the headline, blame retail, blame the bots that never sleep. Still the loss
Trade the price. Done. Okay, 188 entries, guys. 188 entries. So good luck here. You tried along earlier and still in, but sketchy so far. We're ranging too much. Fair, that's fair. Atheist to Christ, first time here. All the best. Hey, thank you for that. Welcome to the stream. My name's Dave. Nice to meet you. Training game. Good luck. GC breaking out. Move to stop loss. Break even. Very good, bro. Very good. I like it. Rodolfo. Good vibes. Yes, thank you. Same to you. Good vibes to you also. I tried along earlier, but it's still, oh yeah, you're sketchy, eh? Miss K in the house. Best vibe here? Hey, thank you. That's so awesome. P&L? Just my styles. What did I say? PPL? Are you in a trade? Not seeing any. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm looking for, we're getting close to it. I'm looking for an inversion on this bearish fair value gap for an entry. So I'm still flat. I've been waiting for this thing to invert this fair value gap. Then I'm looking for a pullback into that fair value gap to take it long for the continuation up to previous day high. That's kind of what I'm waiting for here. But in the meantime, we're about to start this duck race. Let's see here. Let's do let's clear this 104 set. And now of course we're popping up here when I'm starting to try to do the race. We got 3.5 minutes here. If we get a closure above this, I'm gonna set a little alert here so I don't miss it. Add alert on MNQ at this price. Okay, I got that set. So at least if I'm not paying attention, full screen here. Turn off this banner so you guys can see it. Me and Ralph are gonna do the commentary here. And let's turn on Red gave us a new song here for, oh, this is Moxie. Never mind. I forgot that I have it. Oh, I did download it. Let me just add this song real quick here. So Red made us a duck race song here, guys. So I'm gonna upload it real quick so that we can have a different song here for the race. So good luck here, everybody. We're gonna get this race going here in a few seconds. I'm just hearing the lyrics of this song. Okay, here you go, guys. Duck race song started here. Good luck. Fired. I'm Dave's dad, and I'm here to please Dave. My dad's name is also Dave, but mostly everybody calls him Roy. So good luck here, guys, for the 25K Lucid Flex account. And we're off. Seminole trades here. Kaylin Coons, Mala Keyshawn, Keith Smith, Drew 69 Malibu, STFU, Jane Bond, Force Fed, Atheist to Christ, Callisto fan, Willie Trades Futures, Team Massive, Britt Martin, Keith Matthew, Adam Daz, Trading Game, Yo Jim Blob, No Life, My NQ Futures Journey, Saran Pong's Systemanus. Sorry if I messed it up there, but Raphael Cini, Agent Rogue, running on empty, Lady C, aka Lyric, in the house. Good luck, good luck. 5 seconds. Who's gonna come? Who's taking it here, guys? Lady C, Drew 69 Malibu. Whoa! Congrats, guys. Congrats, Drew. Are you here? Drew 69 Malibu. Let me turn this song down. It's a little too loud now. Drew 69 Malibu, are you here, brother? I don't remember seeing his chat earlier. Is he here? Drew. Looking for a group, Drew. Drew 69 Malibu. You're welcome, Miss K. Don't go anywhere just yet. If Drew's not here, we're gonna have to run it back. It's part of the rules. Drew, are you here, brother? Drew's usually here. He's usually here, but you know, maybe he's busy. It is summertime. Dr. Himat, welcome. I didn't see him. I haven't seen him tonight either. That's what I'm saying. I don't know that he's here. We'll give him about a minute here to claim it, and if not, we're gonna have to run it again. That's too bad, Mr. Drew. Drew, are you here? Little countdown. 30, 29, 28, 27. Drewby. Yeah, I don't think he's here tonight. That's too bad, Mr. Drew. You're here to win. You got to be here to win the account. It's just the rules. It is what it is, but that's too bad if he's not here. Where is Drew is a real question. I know. Leo, where is Drew? Drew 69 Malibu. Okay, guys, unfortunately, Drew, apologize, buddy, but if you're not here to claim it, you can't win it, unfortunately. Just waiting for this, it to get to the next minute here. The Lucid daily counts have end of day option. Yeah, but they have an end of day in the eval, but the funded is no matter what, it's intraday until you get past the buffer. Yeah, I'm sure he's off getting rich. Okay, it should be any second here. This just waiting for it to turn from 17 after to 18 after here, and I'm gonna race again here. Last few seconds for him. What would Drew do if he won two? Oh, he can't win. Well, he would just be automatically miss out again. You like the My Funded Rapid? Nice. Okay, sorry, Drew. We're going to run it again here. So let's shuffle the characters around here a bit, a couple times. So I did remove his one duck, but I think he had a couple ducks. So there's a small chance he might win again, but we know he's not here. So good luck, everybody. On to the next one. EC Drive, MKE Trader, Sahel Biswash, Tempa Projects, Randall Paul, Force Fed, Boomer Sooner, Apple, Hero Crypto, Raphael Cini, Reds Everyday Dog Training, at Sovereignty, Angia, there's another red, Scott T Money, Richard Dowdy, there's another red, Futures Trader, Born Hunting, Medi, Gary LP3, Taylin Coons, Wrong Trade Jim. Stop losses hit there, guys. Lots of people pulling back here. Who's going to come from the back here in the last few seconds? Go FOFF. F off. Oh, who is this? Randall Paul going to take it, guys. Randall Paul, are you here tonight too? I don't know if I've seen Randall in the chat yet either. Randall. For some reason, I don't think Randall's here either tonight, guys. Is he? He's usually here too. I know I can't tag them either, but I've had it before where I couldn't tag somebody and then they were here. So we'll just give them the usual minute or two to appear out of the woodwork. I identify as Randall Paul trader, right? Trade it until you make it. Sorry. Randall Paul, is that a fundraiser? Yeah. We might get a candle closure above that level here. We gotta hurry up and get this thing done. Oh, we gotta run it again, Agent Rogue. And make sure we're all here. Let's go re-register. No. That's not how it works. We'll just run it again here in about 1 minute, less than 1 minute now. Leo finishes with the golden quack. Nice. Okay, about 30 seconds here, and we're gonna get it going. Did you enter in the giveaway precise? Like you entered in the Discord? If you entered in the Discord, you're definitely in there. It might be hard to see your duck though, because we have like 188 entries. So if you don't see your duck, it's probably because it's just in the back. Okay, I'm gonna run it here. Good luck. Let's go. Good luck. Baldwin, Britt Martin, El Sin, Itan Nick, Yo Jim Blob, Paul Cuerzo, Wrong Trade Jim, Medi, GK Futures, Candle King Trader, Vikram, Musashi, NQ Contract Killer, B Flu, Baldwin, CC, and all different names now. Donna H, Tony Gold. Who's this? MMMM, BCM, BC1, Grasshopper, Scott T Money, Jaded, Trades with L. See, all different names. Like, it's just when you have so many, it's just like hard to if you don't see your name, it's because you're just in the back, right? Oh, you see it? Nice. Everybody's in there. Should be. Vikram here. Team Massive Fit. Angia coming from the back here. 6 seconds though. Oh. Richard Dowdy. Richard Dowdy. Yeah, Drew had a couple ducks. He won some other ducks during the week, crypto. So I only have the ability to remove his one duck at a time without. You just hit stop loss, and you hit the stop loss. Richard Dowdy, you hear about it? Maybe Richard's not here either. I don't see Richard either. So we'll give him 1 minute here. I know, Vikram, almost. Candle King, Wrong Trade, Saran, Sahil, Bishwash, and Vikram. Top couple here. You get hit and break even on these races? I know, right? I was coasting there for a minute. This is why I was bullish. Yes. Okay, I don't think Richard's here, so we're gonna have to run it back, guys. I haven't seen him. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We're off here. One shuffle. Let's go. Let's do it. Good luck. MKE Trader, Kyle Shees, Boomer Sooner, Simone Lucas, Taylin King Coons. She's been in there again. EC Drive, F Off, Futures Trader, Donna H, S2 Pyro, Lady C, Sat, NG Gaming, It and Nick, Jane Bond, CLB Nodes, Yo Jim, Captain VIP Trades, Drew 69 Malibu again. Hopefully he doesn't win again. We're gonna have to run it back right away. Their stop losses hit here at the 18-second mark. Let's see who's gonna come from the back here to take the W. Sun came to your desk. Oh, Richard's here now. Sorry, Richard. Sorry, brother. Tony Gold. Tony Gold. Tony Gold, are you here? Sorry, Richard, man. Damn. I tried to wait. At Tony. I don't see Tony either here, guys. You should probably take that off now that it looks like his email. Oh. Yeah, sorry, guys. Tony Gold. Tony Gold. I don't know. He must have put it in the Discord, or like in the must have put his email into the YouTube name, because we always take the YouTube name. We put it in the wrong category. Oops. Yeah, sure. I can add your duck back in. Of course.
Yo, Jim Blab says NQ dirty. Misk says maybe wait. Angie posts the whole schedule while I'm entering too late. Kyle says hit the like button. Randy says wait for VWAP. I say nah, this thing.
Okay, got your name back in there. Okay, I'm going to shorten these duck races here so that we can get through it a little bit faster. Okay, so I guess he's not here. Hey, guys? Tony Gold. Not, right? No, I don't see him. He hasn't said anything yet. So we're going to get this going here. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, good luck here. Let's try to find the winner. Let's go Howard the Duck. Tony has given his email. Yes, he did. Atheist to Christ in the lead here. Bricks 863. David Madrid. Guarav Bagade. Agent Rogue. Running on empty. Richard Dowdy there too. Mask. Oh, geez. I think you got attached to somebody else's name there, Richard Dowdy. But when I added your name, okay. Heather Chan Sukian. Heather Chan Sukian. Heather, are you here? Heather's not here. Let me fix. I gotta fix Drew's. I gotta fix Drew's name here real quick.
Left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck comes from nowhere and wins the whole thing overnight. I'm an Amish trader, a funded account evaporator. I passed 3 evils in a row, then somehow got much worse later. I'm an Amish trader, a chart annihilator. But tomorrow.
Oh, there's Heather. Nice. Congrats, Heather. Very good. There you go. Heather, are you in the Discord? Obviously you are. So just make a comment in the general chat or anywhere in the Discord, and I'll send you a little invite, a friend request, and then I'll share you the code. So it's the only thing one thing that I ask of you is that if you can take a screenshot after you use the code and send it to me, just so I can mark off that code. Okay, I see you there. I see ya. Add friend here. What time? You can trade with Lucid, right? Chan or Heather, sorry. Looks like we're gonna get that inversion possibly on this candle. Never lead until you confirm a winner, unless you want to give the rest of us. Malaysia, you can trade with Lucid, I'm assuming? I think so. Awesome, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna send you the code. So what you do is you're gonna log in or go to the buying page like this. You're gonna go here, you're gonna go to Lucid Flex, 25K, select your platform, and then when you get to the discount code thing, just plug the code in that I'm gonna give you. That should bring the price down to 0. After you claim it or whenever you're about to claim it or whatever, please just take a screenshot and send it to me, and that way I know it's been that you got it and that it's we're good to go. Let me just get that for you right now. Affiliate area, coupon management. Lucid Flex 25K copy. There you go. I put the code in there. So like I said, just plop that into the discount code section. That'll make it go to 0 on the price. And then please just take a screenshot and send it to me on the Discord or whatever, so that we can see it, that it's been approved. Oh, this duck noise is making me go crazy here. Whack. There we go. So did we get the inversion? No, we didn't get it though. We kind of rejected off of there. So we need the candle to close up here above 840, 84, 684. So as long as this candle closes up there, we're gonna be all right. You're up 807 now. Nice job, bro. Killing it. It was not so much a rejection, but the amount of time without a real fight, positive flow. Yes, 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 yes. Awesome. Congratulations. Now just make us proud, turn it into a funded account, give us a payout, and then the only thing that I'd ask is once you pass it and or get a payout, just post it in the Discord so that we can cheer you on and say you are the best trader. So we do have success stories in the one of the channels in the Discord, so I'd love to see it in there. So congratulations on that. Congrats. Thank you for the support, guys. Whenever you use my code to get these discounts, it sends me a little bit of commission. And not only that, it allows me to request some accounts. I've been getting enough to have one giveaway every Sunday for the whole month. So I pretty much got to apply every month, and we keep getting these giveaways. So thank you. Because of your support, by using my discount code, I'm able to get these and give them back to you guys. So every one of these free accounts that I get, I give them to you guys. So just so you know, I don't trade any 25Ks. I give them all to you guys, just so you know. You got to pay it back, right? Pay it forward. And keep in mind, guys, I am also recently an affiliate with Tradeify. So you can use code Butcher over there too. Would love it. If you trade with Tradeify, you can use my discount over there also. So I'm currently an affiliate with Lucid, code Butcher, Tradeify, code Butcher. Top One Futures is code Butch, Butch. Blue Sky, code Butcher also, and then E8 Markets, code Butcher. We did get this inverted fair value gap, guys. So now I am definitely looking for a long here. Let's see if we can't get a pullback into this area. So 77. Oops, that was an accident. I hope it doesn't pull it back on me now. I accidentally went in long by accident. Oops. Okay, I gotta switch this over here. Log out here. This is a Lucid Flex account. I accidentally bought bid instead of placing my buy order. I don't know what the heck I did there. Well, it looks like it's going in my favor. I might just get out of this trade here at value area high if we pop up there just on this one micro, because I'm waiting for more of a pullback in there. So 96. Let's put that one micro there. See if we can't get a pop up here. Try to just, this was an accidental entry on that one micro, but might not end up getting out of it. You know, I want to wait for that pullback here. So I'm actually going to move it down a little bit. See right to there. Yeah, I got out of that one micro. Now I'm going to be patient here, waiting for a pullback into this fair value gap here for my entries.
Let's go. Deep base. Market Butcher.
Put in one more here. Buy one limit. All right.
Mustang Trader.
Yeah, now I'm looking for, because this bearish fair value gap is now considered a inverted one. So I'm basically waiting for a pullback into this for the continuation higher. This might play around up here a little bit more. So I got orders between 64 and 77. I'd short this, but Q is oversold long term, which scares me away from the shorts. All right. NQ, yeah. Yep. Holden 5 NQ 6647 for a 759 target. Really? 759. We do have 78 contracts up at 730. Only YOLO. Of course, it's going to happen after, like, the stream's supposed to pretty much be ending here. Like, what the heck, guys? LOL. LOL. Should pop that top heart. You don't think I'm going to get my pullback? Of course it's going to go all the way up there. 1880 subscribers, guys. We're getting there. We're getting there. 1900 is just around the corner here. We'll definitely be over 1900 by the end of the week. Oh, guys, why is this doing this to me? Look at this. There we go. Didn't get my pullback at all. Doesn't mean it's not going to, but now I'm kind of like, I guess I'm not going to get this trade anymore. You know, if it pulls back now, I don't know that I really want to enter it anymore. You know, we'll leave them there for a few minutes. I'm not going to be on the stream much longer, though, so we'll see here. We'll give it another 5-10 minutes or so, maybe. And then, oh, Ralph just logged off, guys. Ralph just logged off, FYI. I think the iPad ran out of juice. I'm going to have to start connecting a power pack to that thing. So we hit the orders at 700, took those out. Are we gonna? Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna reduce my size here if we do get this. I'm gonna take 2 of them off here. Try to get in maybe 2 micros if we get a pullback. Just because after we already made this big move up here, and then if we end up getting really bearish at this point, I don't want to be too heavily sized. I wanted a quicker pullback, like I wanted an inversion with a quick pullback and then go higher. So yeah, Jomo, joy of missing out. You like that one? You like that one, eh? Yeah, let's just send it so we can go to bed. Yeah, I mean, it's good for you guys. You're filling the 1 minute fair value gap? Looks like it. Flat, long, high volume, 3 minute?
Let's go.
Let's get another song going here. Deep bass, bass. Where is
Mustang Trader.
STFU?
Late night futures. Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go. No only YOLO. No
Hey, Michael's in the house. Good morning. Good morning, buddy. Bears 3 minute closer with volume.
Another Globex.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh, yeah.
1,000 traders looking for the secret.
I see what you're saying there. I see what you're saying, Wayne.
Chart already told
That's why I'm a little bit concerned now.
VWAP talking. Why you talking back? Mustang got the levels on the map.
Oh, it's too bad I end up missing that trade. I mean, I'm green on the day, so I'm not that concerned. You know, I'm up $7 in that account. 41 in that one. 57 there. 157 in that account. 136 in this one. 48 in that one. And this last blue sky one's flat. Vintage based up 5K now. Took the long from 28,593 with 25 micros. Wow. I wish I would have got in there. 598, hey? Damn, bro. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Congrats. Everything's good. Going to work soon? Gotcha. My criteria is probably going to work out, but we're going to have to wait too long for it to happen, so. So this was actually a good inversion here. Yeah, it was pretty hard to get in. There was a couple taps in there, but not too serious, so. Nice trade, Cryptonomy. Beautiful.
disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Not 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown where it wants to go. Value area high and value area low. Mustang and Butcher running the show. Base hit stack. What do we trade?
New 15-minute candle incoming. Hell of an entry vintage. Yes. Are you still targeting the pullback to 670? Currently, I am. Yes. But I'm running out of time, so yeah. Sorry, Richard. That sucks. We're trying to wait. We're like, Richard, he's gotta be here. Usually he's here. Why 670? Just retest in this inverted fair value gap. Drew Burt. This was a bearish fair value gap. We had candle closures above it, so it inverted it. So now I'm looking for a retest of the inverted fair value gap for a continuation. Simple. Nope, I'm looking for a long on a continuation here. I came back to the screen and was clicking unmute and all. Yeah, fair enough. We might only get this entry up here though. That might have been the entry right there. Might have missed it there. Now that I'm looking, we got a 5-minute bullish fair value gap inside that inverted fair value gap. This might be the most of the pullback there. Heather might just kill it and hit a max payout. I know she might. Well, I'm kind of like just targeting sort of like towards previous day high. I would front run it. We do have these two wicks or these two bodies ending up here, so I'd kind of front run that a little bit. That's why I got this around, 28.7, 24.75 area. You traded GC CFDs for 4 years, just switch to futures and indices a few weeks ago. Hey, I think you're going to be happy with that. It's definitely a more balanced market, in my opinion. Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants to learn the patient way. Globex open, volume thin, still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Not 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown where it wants to go. Value area high and value area low. Mustang and Butcher running the show. Base hit stack. What do we trade? That looks like a nice trade. Kryptonomy. Mustang trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators. Futures and options greater than levered ETFs, better, greater than CFDs, greater than Forex. And futures are better than options because you don't have to worry about time decay, right? And the Greeks. Another Sunday. Yeah, London's pretty close, right? Well, guys, how did we do? How did we do here? 1,882 subscribers on the stream. We had, let's see, over 100 likes. We had 129 likes on the stream, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for that, guys. Take a second here, guys. If you did subscribe, can you do me a favor and double check that the bell is set to all? Some people in the chat have been saying that their notification bell thing was set to all originally, and for some reason it got switched to personalized. So if you do want to be updated for, like when we're going live every time, just make sure that bell is set to all notifications, and then you won't miss any of these future live streams. But yeah, thanks so much. I appreciate you guys tuning in, the support, everything. You guys rock. Love it having such a large group of good people hanging out in the chat. Pretty positive vibes by everybody, including the people in the chat. 116 people in YouTube, 15 people in X right now. You guys rock. Thank you so much. I'm gonna just do our usual. I'm gonna wrap it up here because I do need to be up for market open tomorrow morning. So gonna do our shout out on our top fans like I usually do at the end of the day. So thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. We got Chris, Yo Jim, Nada Torres, Kyle Shees, Reds Everyday Dog Trading, Leonard or Leo, my favorite AI, Wayne, Miss K, Trading Game, The Elevated Life, Angia, Vikram, Blue, Big Teflon, Try Improve, Richard Dowdy, Hectron, Plum Trader, Sat, FN Trades, NQ Contract Killer, Retail Futures Trader, Adam Daz, Clee, Ranja, Jane Bond, Mick Riker, Wrong Trade Jim, Force Fed, Wilson is Gold, Zero Skills, Eric Lodnick, One Volatile Alternative, Born Hunting, M. Brown, Raphael Sini, Branitz, Dr. Himats, Loy Chua, I don't know what to say, Madrid, David Madrid, I see that, see. Trade until you make it. My dad, Mr. Stewart, C. Piz, Bryce Vineyard, Heather Chan Sukyin, Cryptonomy, Need Routine, Musashi, Simple, and Mustang Trader. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys for being here. You guys rock. Looks like this trade is not going to come to fruition, so I'm probably just going to X out of these two contracts here. Just going to wrap it up. So, yeah. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Have a great evening. And if you want to come hang out tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll be live for Market Open. So, LAFTA, of course, LAFTA. You just didn't type enough. You didn't get on the top 50. You got to type more. You got to get some rest too. Good night, gang. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys. You guys have a great night. Thanks again for all the support, guys. I love you guys. So make sure you check it out. Lucid, Tradeify, Blue Sky, E8 Markets, all code Butcher, and then Top One Futures, code Butch. If you're looking to get any new accounts, I appreciate the support there also. So thank you. You guys have a great night. Love you guys. We'll talk to you soon.
Sunday in the books, base hit secured, stops respected, boner candles printed. This one's for the Butcher gang.
Solitude trading. LAFTA. NQ Contract Killer looking for group. See you, Chris. My favorite AI. Atheist to Christ. I'm gonna get some rest too. Good night. Wrong Trade Jim. NQ Contract Killer. Retail Futures Trader. Trade until you make it, but with options you can structure trades around any environment where futures are a single tool, long or short, And not every market environment favors directional trading. That's true. You're true. 100%. 100%. Very good point.
No crime, just base hits stacking one trade at a time. If you blue the evil reload and grind, cause the butcher gang different from the rest of
Good night, Dad. Yes, let's make it a good week. All right, guys. Thank you so much. You guys have a great
explodes. Randall Paul trader riding bullets roads. Daily candle trades, watching every